Hello, we are back at the dashboard at OPLingo, and let's work with right and correct today. So first we hit Community, and you'll see that we are in the Right and Correct tab, and there are a long list of essays here, and if I want, I can go ahead and go in one and read it and correct it. Let's go back to Community Essays. I can also look at my essays and see all the essays that I've written. But let's go back to community essays, and I think I'm going to just write an essay now. If I get stuck for an idea, I can just click this, and you can see several different ideas that you can use to write about. But I think I'm just going to write a trial essay, and I already have some content written. This is in Tagalog. Now I have a picture that I'm going to drag and drop here. And finally, just so you know, if you can drag and drop a different picture if you want, but it just overwrites the old one. So there's only one picture that you can put on there. Finally, I hit submit, and here it is. I'll open it and take a look at it. Here is the essay, and here is the text. Now I can go and correct this, or someone else can correct it. And for example, I can insert a word here or words if I want to. And you can see that it shows up green in the correction. But what if I want to just write over something here? And you can see that the other word was crossed out and replaced by this new word. And when I'm done, I just hit confirm. And so here is the correction. Now you can see what was done in this view, or if you want a clean view, you just hit that and it gives you the just the correction by itself. And that's about all there is to write and correct.